Good day, and how are you on this marvelous, great, fantastic, superb, wonderful, stupendous, outrageous, terrific day with the sun shining upon the brow, the wind whipping through your hair, the sweet smell of roses tantalizing your nostrils, and a taste of honey upon your lips. Good morning. Yes! My philosophy of is mind over matter. If I don't mind, it doesn't matter. I'm making a YouTube video. So I'm walking around the block.
Hope you don't get sick.
Oh no! Viruses cannot don't last very long in cold weather. But warm weather, like say inside your house, and where in the wintertime you all gather around, like in school, and one person catches a cold, and then everybody in the entire school catches a cold. That happens more often. Yes. Anyway. Okay, thank you. Anyway, I am just taking a nice stroll around the block. Good morning. Afternoon, yes. Anyway, I'm taking a nice stroll around the block. T-shirt, shorts, as you can see. I'm just taking a nice stroll around, but it is snowing. It is Sunday, January 17th, I believe. 18th, sorry. No, 17th. I get mixed up sometimes the days, you know. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It is about -7. And it is snowing. It's a nice, vigorous day out, isn't it? So, I'm just taking a nice walk around the block. Invigorating walk. And as I mentioned, my philosophy in life is mind over matter. If I don't mind, it doesn't matter? No, it does not. So do what you please. I have also thought about doing that polar bear dunk on New Year's Day in Toronto, where you go on New Year's Day, nice and cool day, and just take a swim in Lake Ontario. Well, you know what? I'm too lazy for that. Not efficient enough. It's... Why? If you want to do that, you can do that anywhere. Like me, taking a nice walk around the block. Okay? You can do that. There's not a big problem. And I have actually done this things like this before. As an example, one time I was working at a security company. A bunch of people had to go. It was in September. A whole bunch of people had to go back to school, so they could only work weekends. I was a manager, so basically it was up to me to cover all those shifts until someone was found to take over some of the shifts. I was working 20-30 hour shifts. Actually, I was working in 4 days, about 90 hours. Go figure. Do the math on that one. It was not a lot of sleep. But it's what you want to make. Let's say help someone find theory. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm fine. Well, say as my son's they had trouble with their gas and they had no key house. And I think they work very closely. Or at least I like it. So I'm too. That's like I'm thinking about it. That's what we gather. We'll see what we do about it. Okay? And then there's I'm gonna get a walk. I'm 50. I think what time. No, could not get a walk. Parents were allowed to. Okay? And I'm working no, walk. Let's how long my wife has had. So, okay, back home. Thank you very much for this interesting video. Thank you. Bye.